Good day everyone, welcome. So using Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee is a convenient way to pay for your online purchases in easy installments. Here are the steps you need to take to do this. So firstly, of course, go ahead and install the Shopee app from the App Store, Google Play Store, depending on the phone model you have. Open the Shopee app and log in with your account, or create one if you don't have one. After that, browse through the app and select the items you want to purchase. Once you've found the items, tap on Add to Cart. After selecting all your items, tap on the cart icon at the top right of the screen to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, ensure all items in your cart are correct. Tap on Proceed to Payments. After that, on the Payment Method screen, select Home Credit as your preferred payments option. If you don't see it, tap See More Payment Methods and select Home Credit from the list. After selecting Home Credit, you'll be asked to choose an installment plan. Qwarta Home Credit will show you various payment terms such as 6, 12 or 24 months. Choose the installment option that works best for you. Confirm the amount you will be paying each month, including any additional charges. After that, if prompted, log in into your Home Credit account. If you don't have one, you will need to sign up or link your account. You may need to verify your identity and bank details to complete the transaction. Double check the payment details, including the installment and total amounts. If everything is correct, tap Confirm Payments to complete the purchase. And after that, you can just wait for approval. Some credit will process your payments request and notify you about the approval status. If your payment is approved, you will receive a confirmation in the Shopee app. And that's basically it. You have successfully made a purchase, and you'll be able to pay for your Shopee items through Qwarta Home Credit in easy installments. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, press like, subscribe. See you in the next one.